was searching around and I found Harrell Implants online. I looked at reviews and I read a lot of good things, so I thought I'd come in for a check. The procedure that I got done was a single dental implant. I had an abscess about a year before, and so they had to pull my tooth, and so I was looking to finally get that fixed.
We made a good plan for her to put in a dental implant. In this location in her mouth, there was just enough bone available, so we were able to use some cool new technology that's available in our office now, which is a 3D printed surgical guide. So with a surgical guide, it allows us to precisely control the placement of the implant and really get it in exactly the right spot for an optimal result.
The main visit where they had to implant the post, I opted for the extra sedation, and it was very comfortable. I mean, in his chairs, there's a TV up there, and you got headphones on, and you're not paying attention to anything that's happening. So it wasn't nearly as scary as I thought.
So a lot of our patients are a little nervous about having a dental implant procedure. So in our office, we do offer sedation for these types of procedures. Sedation really helps them to relax. They can focus on something else besides what we're doing. We have TVs on the ceiling, and all of our staff are here to make sure that everyone's super comfortable.
I had a perfect experience, so I couldn't say enough good things.